Looking for the top articulating borescopes 2026 that actually make inspections faster, clearer, and stress-free. Whether you're an automotive pro, plumber, electrician, or DIY, the right endoscope camera can save you time, money, and guesswork. In this video, we break down the best borescopes and inspection cameras of 2026 covering image quality, articulation control, durability, and real-world performance. If you want the best borescope for automotive, plumbing, or tight space inspections, you're in the right place. All of the product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The FOXWELL two-way articulating borescope is a solid contender in the top articulating borescopes 2026, especially for users who need precision in tight automotive and vac spaces. Its slim 0.24-inch probe easily fits into narrow engine bays, ducts, and mechanical cavities, while the two-way articulation allows controlled left and right steering for targeted inspections. The HD camera delivers sharp, well-lit visuals, supported by adjustable LED lighting that improves clarity in dark environments. With a 5.25-foot semi-rigid cable, it offers a good balance of reach and maneuverability without becoming difficult to control. This borescope is particularly useful for automotive diagnostics, engine inspections, and routine maintenance checks. Durable construction and intuitive controls make it suitable for both professionals and advanced DIY users. If you're searching for a reliable, best borescope camera that focuses on accuracy and ease of use, FOXWELL delivers excellent value. The Ralcam 4-way 360-degree articulating borescope stands out among the top articulating borescopes 2026 thanks to its impressive steering control and ultra-slim 6.2mm probe. The 4-way articulation allows smooth navigation in all directions, making it ideal for complex engine compartments, plumbing pipes, and vac systems. Its 4.3-inch HD screen provides clear real-time viewing, while the 4x digital zoom helps capture fine details during inspections. The waterproof probe and adjustable LED lights ensure dependable performance in wet, dark, or greasy environments. With a 6.6-foot semi-rigid cable, users get extended reach without sacrificing stability. This inspection camera is well-suited for automotive technicians, plumbers, and electricians who need flexibility and control. If you're looking for a best borescope kit that balances portability, durability, and advanced articulation, the Ralcam is a strong and practical choice. The Teslong NTS 500 dual-lens endoscope earns its place in the top articulating borescopes 2026 by offering versatility through its front and side view camera system. With a slim 0.21-inch probe, this borescope easily accesses confined spaces, while the dual-lens design allows users to switch perspectives without repositioning the camera. The 5-inch IPS LCD screen delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making inspection results easy to interpret. Its long 9.8-foot waterproof probe is ideal for deep inspections in automotive engines, wall cavities, and industrial equipment. Built for durability, this inspection camera performs well in harsh environments, supported by bright adjustable LED lighting. The included protective case adds portability and storage convenience. For professionals seeking a reliable endoscope camera with extended reach and dual-view functionality, the Teslong NTS 500 is a dependable and feature-rich option. The DEPSTECH 10-feet articulating endoscope camera is a powerful inspection tool featured among the top articulating borescopes 2026. Designed with a dual-lens system, it allows both forward and side viewing, helping users inspect hard-to-see angles without repeated repositioning. The 4.5-inch screen provides clear visuals, while adjustable LED lights enhance visibility in dark or enclosed spaces. Its standout feature is the long 10-foot flexible cable, which is perfect for wall inspections, automotive diagnostics, pipes, and mechanical systems. The articulation control adds precision when navigating tight bends and obstacles. Built with industrial-grade materials, this borescope is durable and suitable for frequent professional use. Whether you're a mechanic, contractor, or serious DIY, DEPSTECH offers an excellent balance of reach, flexibility, and image clarity in a dependable inspection camera. The Teslong 2A articulating borescope is a practical and user-friendly option within the top articulating borescopes 2026, especially for automotive mechanics and technicians. Featuring a 0.33-inch articulation head, it is slightly thicker than ultra-slim models but offers excellent durability and stable maneuvering. The 5-inch IPS display delivers sharp, accurate visuals with wide viewing angles, making inspections more comfortable during extended use. Its two-way articulation allows precise left and right control, ideal for checking engine cylinders, valves, and internal components. Bright LED lighting ensures consistent visibility in low-light environments, while the fiber optic design enhances image transmission quality. This borescope is well-suited for automotive diagnostics, machinery inspection, and general maintenance tasks. If you want a dependable, easy-to-use articulating inspection camera with a large screen and solid build quality, this Teslong model is a reliable choice. All of the product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.